We are here at Van Do It, just outside of Kansas City, Missouri, and they have something special for us. This is the all-new 2020 all-wheel drive Ford Transit. Now, they got one from Ford. This is a prototype. It's not available yet, but they're gonna let us take it out for a quick test drive to see what we think about it. Ford gave this to them so they could do some testing and engineering, measuring on it to see what they think of it, and we're gonna see how it drives.
What do you think?
It drives really nicely. So this is the extended version with the dualies on the back and all-wheel drive 2020 Transit. So it's really nice, and the whole cockpit area is a definite improvement over what we've seen with the previous gen Transits. The screen is really nice. And this particular one that we are test driving has the EcoBoost in it. And you know, considering the fact that this is an empty van, the pickup on it is awesome.
But this is a prototype, right? It's not the production model?
Correct. All right, let's punch it. You ready?
I'm ready. Was that fun?
That thing's quick.
Love that EcoBoost.
Yes. I mean, it's not going to do that when you fully load it with a camper van or, you know, stuff you're putting in, but
I find this configuration very interesting. It's half passenger van and half cargo van.
yeah, it's their crew model. So essentially, if you're thinking about this in camper van speak, the whole front half or portion is your driving area, and then you can convert the whole back half into your living area.
That you can sit 3 more passengers in that row, and then we've got the cargo section back there.
The brakes on this are fantastic. I mean, it's very similar to the older Transit that we had a chance to test drive, but they've updated like what's on the steering wheel, little updates here and there with cup holders and different things. I still love that they have the giant cup holders down here for your water bottles, but this whole section, that's all new.
That's the bee's knees.
That's the bee's knees right there.
And this dash up here, that's new too.
Mm-hmm. So they've got 12 volt in USB here. If you have a dash cam or something, that's really handy. All right, do it again.
I love the sound of that EcoBoost.
Yes. And it, right now, unloaded, it rides great. And a lot of times when you're in, especially, so this is the 350, and when you're in an unloaded pickup truck or a van, they tend to ride rough. And this rides like a sedan or SUV. And I can only imagine how much better it would ride once you start putting payload in it. And it's kind of sitting down on the suspension a little bit more.
It's really smooth.
Yes. The mirrors in these things are awesome. There are no blind spots that I can tell, at least off the bat. And it just gives you great view on both sides. I think this is really important when you built out camper van, because a lot of times you can't use the rear view mirror, so you have to use your side mirrors a lot more. And with as good as these are, you really don't miss that rear view mirror. So since it has the all-wheel drive, you can actually switch the modes as you're driving. So right now I'm just in standard mode, but I can switch to eco mode. There's also a slippery mode, mud and ruts, and then tow haul. So we'll go back to normal. Who wants to drive an eco anyway? I had to take over from Kate, do some more driving in this thing. It is awesome. The new 2020 all-wheel drive Transit is fantastic, drives great, a lot of cool features. Can't wait to see what other van builders are going to be doing with this thing. So we are really excited, and thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and if you want to see more cool content, head on over to our website at we'retherussos.com. We'll see you next time. Bye. And who knows, we may just have to take this out for a little bit longer.